Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at pointers in C++. So we're going to create a new file called pointers.cpp. Now pointers are a special type of variable that are used to store an address of another variable. So they're just a variable, but they store addresses. So to get the address of a variable, we're going to be using the ampersand symbol or the and symbol. So to get the address, we're going to be using and followed by the variable name to get the address of that variable. And in order to create a pointer, the format or the syntax is the data type followed by an asterisk, then the name of the pointer, then we're going to set it equal to an address. So here the data type is going to be the data type of the variable our pointer is going to be pointing to. So if it's pointing to an integer variable, the data type of our pointer is also going to be an int. We can use this pointer to change the actual value of our variable, which is called dereferencing, which we'll be seeing inside the code. So first we're going to be putting in our template, #include iostream, and we're going to have our main function, and inside here we're going to initialize a variable called num, and we're going to set it equal to 5. So first let's see how the AND operator gives us the address. So we're going to have a pointer, an integer pointer called num pointer, and we're going to set it equal to the address of the num variable. And to get the address of the num variable, we're going to use AND followed by num. So this is a pointer that is storing the address of num. So we can print it out and see what it looks like. So here we're going to print out address of num, and we're going to pass in num pointer followed by a new line. We're also going to be printing out the value since we're going to be changing it later. So let's just print out value of num, and we're going to put in num followed by a new line character. Now we can save our file and we are going to compile it. Pointers.cpp. We misspelled pointers. We said pointer, so we're going to compile it again using pointers.cpp. Now we're going to run it. As you can see, it prints out value of num, which is 5, we already know, and address of num. So this is going to be different on your computer because it's based on your machine, but this is the address of the num variable. Now, as I said when we started, we can change the value of num from the pointer. How do we do that? We do that by dereferencing our pointer. We dereference our pointer by using the asterisk symbol again, but this time we're going to be using it to change the value of whatever address we have. So this is dereferencing. So now we're inside the num variable and we're going to set it equal to 10. So this is going to be changing the value of the num variable. We can see this by copy and pasting this line. After we've dereferenced and set it equal to 10, we're going to print out num again. So now we can compile our file and we're going to run it. As you can see, initially the value of num was 5, but after dereferencing, after this line of code, the value of num has become 10. So pointers have many applications, many good applications. This is just to introduce you to pointers. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.